Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be reviewing my first ever Glossy box. Now I have already opened it because I had a bit of a struggle because it's all stick down like that, so I had to open it. So this is the actual Glossy box. Now it's a lovely light playboyish, when I was younger, playboyish pink, a subtle pink though, lovely subtle pink with the lovely Glossy box crown. So let's open the box, and that's the inside of the actual box. And it's upside down. Like, that's the inside of the box. I have actually opened this like to a content because I actually recorded and I was like, you know what, I don't like this, so I'm recording. So it does come with an Hello Fresh £40 off dinner solved Hello Fresh. And it says the Glossy box booklet that's inside. And if you are actually interested in this box, I will link my referral code down below, and this will get you some money off as well. My referral code will get you some money off as well. And obviously Body Shop are celebrating 25 years of the female empowerment. As you know, it has been National Women's Appreciation Day or something like that. So this is the shea butter collection below there. Body Shop is a really, really nice company for like, obviously because I'm in the UK and what I know of, and they don't test on animals, and it's really, really nice to know that they don't test on animals. Just to know that like one little monkey or one little rabbit ain't gonna have nail varnish on their little claws, and let them be what they want to be. And they ain't injecting them with loads of stuff and putting it on them and making them look stupid, because an animal just deserves to be an animal, and just let it be. So yeah, that is Body Shop. Like I said, celebrating 25 years of female empowerment. So let's open the box. It comes with a sticker like that and your lovely little bow. You have to open, and it does come with this lovely crinkly bits. Obviously not ideal because I have cats, but I won't let them play with this because, you know, I guess I'll be playing with it myself. Ooh, let's open it. Oh, so first off, I am going to pick out is the Body Shop body butter, the shea butter. That is really, really nice. Them are not cheap, even for a little one, and it's really, really nice. Let's open it and see what it smells like. Ooh, different. I can imagine that would actually grow on you. Look, you can see it's all fresh product, not used. So that's the one. And then the next is Bye Bye Plumper Lip Balm. Let's have a look at this lip balm. And that's the inside packaging, by the way. The packaging is really, really nice on that. And it comes in a lip balm 10ml. And let's give that a nice go. It's hard to squeeze out because it's like your normal lip balm. It is really, really nice. And it's like, if you guys know Imperial Sauce, the mint stuff, that if you put it in orifices, that's not, well, you have to, because you have to clean it out, but that's gonna give you a tingly sensation. But so far, I actually really do like this lip balm, and it does smell nice and a subtle hint of mint, and that is really, really nice. We'll be using it again. I was just on about lip balm to my partner when I was waiting for the bus down from my local town, and I said that I needed some, and Glossy Box read my mind. So the next one is Bella Piri Cosmetics Kiss Proof Creme, and it's really, really nice. I'm just going to get this out, and that's what the packaging is, top down. So I'm going to slide this out. Probably have difficult sliding this one out. Yeah, they put these in good, don't they? Come get this out. Oh, is it just better off opening it at the bottom? I know I'm going to get bad luck, but I've already opened it at the bottom, so I was going to open it at the bottom. Oh my god, I can't even get into it. Oh my god. Do that. I don't really keep things in packaging anyway. So I've had to go in and just rip it, because it just won't come out, guys. We're going to be here for absolutely forever. So this is what it looks like, that colour. Kiss of Metallic Lip Cream. So I'm just going to swatch this on the back of my hand. And that is the colour of it. That is a nice colour. I like that. And then the next thing is a Larry Tizzy Cosmetic Dewy Pot in the shade Utopia. Now I know this is a really nice colour. I mean, I will be using that, and that is actually a highlighter, and that is really, really nice. So I will be using that, and it has a 12-month lifespan on that one, until after 12 months can't use it again. It's knackered, can't remember how to use it. And then the last one is the Essence You Better Work. Basically, it's sweat resistant and anti-shine. So if you're one of those people that go to the gym with makeup on and want it to stay on, this is for you. Me personally, I like going to the gym with no makeup on, because I'm just going to sweat. And it will just clog all your pores up, and it will just be horrible. But this is for those people who, like, don't want the makeup to come off while they're working out. So you just spray this little thing right here. So yeah, guys, that is all I have got in that lovely, lovely box of mine. I must say, April's sounds interesting. So I will be having April's. I have, while I'm recording this, I don't know if it's all got mixed up or anything, but the Mother's Day one, I am actually interested in the Mother's Day one, but it says it's sold out or something. But I'll go and have a look, see if they'll restock it or add some more online or some sort. But if not, I won't be able to get it until April. But if I do get the Mother's Day one, I'll be getting one for my mother and one for myself to see, because the products are now really, really nice. So I might be getting that one as well. But as per usual, guys, thank you for watching. Sorry I look rough. My usual face and my video will be down there as per usual. And thank you for watching, and have a beautiful day.